We're going for a ride in my husband's 1964 truck. Here we go. There we go. Let's just see the inside. Whoa. Okay. This is only what we got. And of course it's for the size of my daughters. They're skinny as a rail. How many of you guys remember just these single seat belts? So you ready to go? And we are off. He's got that little, what is that thing on your steering wheel?
Suicide knob.
Suicide knob? And it is a 3 in the
Tree.
3 in the tree?
Yeah.
We were off for a drive, but just want to show you his truck. And there's out the back. Here's a little thing that might make the truck a little dangerous. That's the heater. Can you imagine how hot that gets? You definitely don't want to touch it with your foot. And our little radio is working. Here's something you don't find in cars anymore. Sorry, the engine's not quiet. A cigarette lighter. Or not lighter. Ashtray. A little bit to put your cigarettes in. Find that in the newer cars. Here's a look at the door to the truck. And these handles, when you get out, you have to push them up like this. I'm used to just grabbing and going. Can't do that anymore. And of course, the old roll-up window. I do a walk around of the truck. Here's the front of it. And sides. We have the Ford hubcaps that go on it. But we're getting ready to put new tires on it, white wall tires. So the hubcaps are not on it. We bought those and new tires for it. They just haven't made it on the truck yet. Okay, we got really lucky and found the vintage hubcaps on Amazon. I love the double doors. Anyway, that is a walk around of the truck.